Hello everyone and welcome to this DupDub review. Is this the best AI text-to-speech tool? Well, we're putting DupDub under the microscope to help you make an informed decision. In a market filled with options, does DupDub truly stand out? We'll be exploring the features, pricing, pros and cons, and overall performance to see if it could work for you. If you're looking to create engaging voiceovers, audiobooks, or any audio content, stick around because this review is for you. Before we start, we've put the link to DupDub in the description below so you can easily access and sign up to this tool that is sure to make a difference. Now let's get into what DupDub offers. First off, the voice variety is impressive. We're talking hundreds of AI voices in multiple languages, covering a wide range of tones and styles. Whether you need a professional narrator, a friendly conversational voice, or something more unique, DupDub has got you covered. One of the standout features is voice cloning. You can create a digital replica of your own voice or someone else's, which is incredibly useful for personalized content and maintaining brand consistency. Multilingual support. DupDub supports a massive array of languages, making it perfect for global audiences. Need a voiceover in French, Spanish, or Japanese? DupDub handles it with ease. Now, customization. You have a granular control over your audio. You can adjust the pitch, speech, pauses, and even add emphasis to specific words to achieve the perfect delivery. Video integration. DupDub seamlessly integrates with video editing workflows. You can sync your AI voices with your visuals, saving you time and effort. API access. For developers and businesses, DupDub offers API access, allowing you to integrate its powerful text-to-speech capabilities into your own applications. And now, let's get down to the brass tacks. Pricing. DupDub offers a tiered system to fit various needs, and they do have a free plan to get you started. So here's the breakdown. The free plan. This is perfect for getting acquainted with DupDub. It allows you to explore core features and get a feel of the AI voices. And this is great if you're just a starter. Then we have the personal plan, which is priced around $11 per month when billed annually. This plan provides a set of amount of credits per month that allow you to generate voiceovers and use other DupDub AI tools. This plan is great for individual content creators. Then we have the professional plan. This plan runs around $30 per month when billed annually. This tier significantly increases your credit allowance, giving you much more room to create. This plan is designed for those who need a higher volume of content and allows room for more AI voice generation time. This is a plan where you get a large increase in the amount of AI voiceover generation time. Then you have the ultimate plan. This plan runs around $110 per month when billed annually. This plan is tailored for startups and provides a very large amount of credit usage. This plan also increases the amount of instant cloned voices and avatars that you can create. Then you have the scale and business plans. This is a good fit for larger businesses and enterprises. DupDub offers scale and business plans with even higher credit limits and dedicated support. These are more tailored to large company needs. So here's our recommendation. If you're serious about creating consistent, high-quality audio, the professional plan does strike a fantastic balance. The increased credit gives you the freedom to experiment and produce without constantly worrying about limits. And remember, investing in quality tools like DupDub can significantly boost your content's impact. And now, as with any service, we'd like to let you know about the pros and cons. So let's break it down. Starting with the pros, you have an extensive voice library, high-quality AI voices, voice cloning feature, multilingual support, user-friendly interface, and API access. And on the flip side with the cons, just a few. While the free trial is great, the best features are behind a paid subscription. As with all AI, occasionally a voice might produce a strange pronunciation, but with the editing tools, they're so easy to correct. Overall, the pros far outweighs the cons. DupDub is a powerful and versatile text-to-speech tool that can significantly enhance your content creation workflow. So, is DupDub the best AI text-to-speech tool? With all these considerations, it's definitely up there. The combination of high-quality voices, powerful features, and reasonable pricing makes it a top contender. So if you're looking to elevate your audio content, it's highly recommended to give DupDub a try. Don't forget to click on the link in the description to sign up for the Pro plan and unlock the full potential of DupDub. And if you found this review helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.